The, uh, the last 19, 20 years of my career in TAFE has been fulfilling in many ways to me. The market share went up. We built a company from 800 crores to 4,500 crores. But what actually at this point I remember is the fun we had as a team together, the conferences we went, the the trips we made outside and celebrated our success, and the good times we have had together and how we supported each other. The most important thing I'm very proud about is that during our period, that the people who work with us have become great dealers, and some of them have exceeded the guru also. They're doing extremely well. I would like to mention a few of those people who have really done well for themselves. It's not in some order of priority, but it is how I recollect. And these gentlemen, some of them are running companies, some of them are vice president sales and marketing, and some of them have also gone to two-wheeler industry and done well. So let me start with the two-wheeler industry. The person who was working with us, I think he was working under Saji in AP, is Narsiman. Today he is vice president in Bajaj and he is doing extremely well. I am very proud of him. He left us many years back. And the same thing with Saji was another gentleman. I think he joined Tata Motors. I don't recollect his name. He's doing well. Vipin Bandhu is today with working with Shaktiman Group along with our friend Dinesh Vashish. Dinesh Vashish is also a character with whom we have had magical moments. That's what I should say. You would understand what I mean by magic moments. I really enjoyed his company. We actually worked hard, and we also sometimes had our own difference of opinion, but we never let that come in our way of business. He's running as a CEO, running the whole business and doing extremely well for himself. Of course, Grewal is heading Kubota. He's, I think, built up the business. The products are excellent. And if you look at Sonalika, it is completely run by people who work with us, and Vivek Goyalji is the rising star of Sonalika. And in fact, Mr. Raman Mittal himself, once when I met him with regard to something else, he told him that he's the rising star in Sonalika. So that is something I heard. I shouldn't be quoting Mr. Raman Mittal here, so I withdraw that comment. But I came to know, let's leave it at that. And then if you look at Pushpender is doing well, Jujar is in VST and stuff like that. So as we go forward in our career, what you will carry apart from anything else is the impression that we will leave behind, or the learnings we'll leave behind for people who come after us. So I urge this group of people to share their learnings freely. Okay, it is only learning, education from a pure education point of view. It is nothing to do with confidential information. So as much as you share, other people will also share, and there will be a great learning process. So what I really want to create is in this group is a learning community which has people at the entry level, people at the middle level, people at the senior level, and other people who have experience in other industries like maybe consumer durables and anything related to agriculture, maybe seeds, agriculture, fertilizers as we move forward. And then we'll also get people from digital platform to come and see how to promote digital platform in rural India. So this learning is huge. It will not be only restricted to sales. So in the beginning, we'll focus to sales, and as we focus and as we learn, we will actually expand to other areas of business, so that we train people elsewhere and we also get trained. So this is the vision, or to say the objective of this company in the next say 6 months to a year. And as this company grows, I would be looking at a chief executive or COO to take this company and grow to the next level. So I will only be coming and giving bhashan, and rest of it he has to done. All the best guys, cheers, have fun and stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye.